Hello student, today my topic is collection of data. Class 11th. Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on target variable in an established system, which then enable one to answer relevant questions and evaluate outcomes. Data collection is a component of research in all fields of study, including physical and social sciences, humanities, and business. Essentially, there are four choices for data collection: in-person interviews, mail survey, phone surveys, online surveys. Every choice for data collection has some pros and cons. Pros of in-person interviews: in-depth and a high degree of confidence on the data. Cons of in-person interviews: time-consuming, expensive, and can be dismissed as anecdotal. Pros of mail surveys: can reach anyone and everyone, no barriers. Cons of mail surveys: expensive, data collection errors, lag time. Pros of phone surveys: high degree of confidence in the data collection, reach almost everyone. Cons of phone surveys: expensive, cannot self-administer, need to hire an agency. Online survey or web survey. Pros of online or web survey: cheap, can self-administer, very low probability of data errors. Cons of online or web survey: not all your customer might have an email address. Be on the internet, customer may be wary of divulging information online. There are two types of data: primary data and secondary data. Primary data are always collected directly from the individual who constitute the universe of study. Primary data means collecting data directly from the actual source of information. Secondary data is the data collected by other person, that is, data is collected by an individual or a group of individuals or any agency in the past for their own purpose, but later on used by some other party for some other purpose. Source of secondary data are government publications, semi-government publications, and private publication, etc. I hope the collection of data is clear. Thanks all of you.